Well, my name is Geoffrey Lamtoo. I am the Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of academics at the University of the Sacred Heart Gulu. On the 2nd of May 2025, the university is going to install the second Chancellor of the university. Now, the second Chancellor will be the Archbishop of the Gulu Archdiocese, His Grace Raphael Wokorach, and he will be installed as the second Chancellor. The first Chancellor of the university has been His Grace Archbishop Emeritus, Dr. John Baptist Odama, who has now retired, and by virtue of anyone coming to the position of the Archbishop of Gulu Archdiocese becomes the Chancellor of the university. That's by the statute, what we call the University of the Sacred Heart statute. So we are going to have that. The university is fully prepared to install the second Chancellor on this 2nd of May 2025. We have made all the preparations possible. We have invited about 600 guests to come to the university. We expect that His Grace Archbishop Emeritus John Baptist Odama will preside over this installation on that day. Our program will start with a Holy Mass on that day, that Friday, the 2nd of May 2025. At 9 o'clock, we shall have the Holy Mass. That should take us up to about 10:30. That's 1.5 hours. And thereafter, we shall move into the installation of the Chancellor. And there will be a procession, a big procession for the Chancellor when they enter the ground. And we have sung the anthems and prayed. Then we move on to a series of activities that will lead to the installation of the Chancellor. There will be speeches that will be made, and we expect that by around 1:30 we should have a finish. So we have invited the people, and we are calling upon them, those invited, to come and grace the occasion. We invited them to come early to attend the Holy Mass that His Grace the Archbishop will be presiding over, and proceed into the program of installing the Chancellor. So we are quite ready. Everything is in place. All the preparations have been more or less finalized, and we don't have any serious gaps now. So we are looking forward to the occasion. We want to thank the first Chancellor, His Grace Dr. John Baptist Odama, for having done a commendable job as the first Chancellor. He has steered the university to this stage for the last 8 years, and the university is now in a firm foundation, and we are offering programs. We have already graduated a number of students here. So the second Chancellor will take over from a firm foundation, and it's our conviction that he will also move the university to a greater height. Thank you.